Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to draw different cylindrical forms. So cylindrical forms are a good thing to practice, and it's one of those things where if you start looking at a lot of your objects around the house, you'll notice that a lot of things are cylindrical in one way or another, right? They might start as a cylinder, but then they're kind of like shaped in like a wine glass is actually like in its basic form, it's cylindrical, right? So same with most vases. So it's a good thing just to kind of practice in your sketchbook, and you don't even need to always draw from things. You can kind of just do this from your mind. You can also find objects that you want to draw in your house. So either way is good. So when I'm sometimes bored or just kind of looking to doodle different things, this is some one of the things that I'll sometimes practice. And one thing just to notice, I've done this in a couple of the ones that I've already drawn, is that I'll sometimes draw a line kind of like halfway in the middle of it, just so that I can kind of like make sure that I'm getting the sense of symmetry. So that's another thing, that if you're having trouble where your forms look a little bit like wonky or a little bit just off, sometimes just drawing a line through the middle to show the symmetry can be helpful. And this is one of those things that, like, if you're ever just kind of like not really sure what to draw, you feel like a little bit blocked in terms of like, what should I be drawing? It can just be nice to, like, even if you're just sitting at your kitchen table, like you can draw some objects that you have on your table. So here I had this little nice little teapot, and it has an interesting shape to it. So draw things like that. Teacup, stuff like that. So hope you enjoy this. This is just something a little bit different, just practicing like just really different basic objects. And then you can even arrange them into a still life or something like that, and then have it be a little bit more interesting, or just have quick studies like this. So I hope you enjoy this video and this is useful for your drawing. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and I will see you next time.